Guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to print contacts, or how you can print all your contacts from your Outlook address book. So I will show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, I am on my Outlook. So let me go in my people icon, which is contact, and here you can see your all contacts. This is my Outlook data file, which is, you can say, backup file, and this is my mailbox contacts. You can see I have 3 4 5 6 contacts here. This is 4 group, and this is individual contacts. So you can print individual contacts also, and you can print all your address book. Okay, so let me show you how you can print individual contacts. Just open the contacts by double clicking on it. Then this contacts will be open, and you can see this is my email ID, this is name. Okay, so now go to the file and go to the print. So guys, you can see this is print preview, and I can print as in the memo style because I am print only one uh, contacts here. And go to the print option, and here you can select the page if you have more than one page, but if you are printing individual, then it will be only one page. So select all, and here you can see you can print as a PDF, you can print as a Microsoft document writer, or there is a many format you can use, but I suggest you make the print as a PDF. And here you can change the copies if you want, how much copy you want. So I just keep it one copy, print to fill. Okay, Microsoft print PDF. Okay, so just you can preview from here, and this is preview of your page, and here you can see the total page. There is a one page only. So now you can print it. You select your printer from here and just print it, so it will be print. Okay, now if you want to select print all contacts, then just come to the contacts again, select your contact list, and go to the file. Same way you have to go in print, and here you can see this is a print cast style, or you can say the label style. So you can print like this. You can print small book style also. There is a server style you can use to print your contacts. So you can use the character style, and also you can change the print option here. So here you can, there is a 2 page. Okay, and second page we don't have, nothing is there because all are blank. So if you want to print only one page, then go to the print option and page, go to the page and type 1 1. Okay, and you can change the copy, select the format here, and just click on print. Then your page will be print like this. You can see all contact has been visible here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.